Hey everyone, welcome to LifeThoughtsCamera YouTube channel. In today's video, I will be reviewing the Colorbar nail polish remover and tell you how it exactly worked out for me. I'll also be sharing some of my tips and tricks from which you will get the most out of any nail polish remover that you use. Let's get started. Where do I buy it from? I buy it from Health and Glow store, which have many outlets, and sometimes I buy them from the online store called Nykaa. Product packaging. The Colorbar nail polish remover comes in a clear opaque plastic bottle that has a twist cap on the top. Cost and lifespan of the product. The polish remover costs 125 rupees for 110 ml and its lifespan is 3 years from the date of manufacture. Claims of the product. Claims are that it is acetone free, toluene free and DBP free. It has protein and vitamin B5 to strengthen the nails. Also has a capacity to instantly remove the nail polish and has a natural emollient that conditions the nails. The ingredients. These are the ingredients mentioned behind on the packaging. I am not going to try and pronounce them. My experience. Consistency of the product is liquid. It is also colorless but has a bit of a strong fragrance which reduces in a few minutes. Even when I have applied 2 nail polish coats, this remover does a good job without me having to wipe my nails multiple times. How I use a nail polish remover. Personally, I prefer to put a small amount of the product on a flat cotton pad and then quickly place the soaked pad on my nail. I let it sit on top of my nail for a few seconds and then remove the pad by dragging it on the nail. This way it removes the nail polish. This method works best when the nail polish is too dark toned or has glitter. Pros and cons. It is wallet friendly. It is easily available for me. Fragrance is not an issue for me. It's bearable. The packaging is sturdy and the product does not take up that much space, and it is not heavy either. Since the packaging is opaque, I can see how much product is left. I usually refer the EWG database, but unfortunately, this product has not been verified by them yet, so I don't know if it is a safe beauty product or not. Has a very good lifespan. The Colorbar and PETA website mention that this brand is cruelty-free, but there is no cruelty-free logo on the packaging, which is so weird. Extra things to note. Be very careful as the product can catch fire very easily. My rating. I rate this product a 2.5. It loses a lot of points because some of the information was either not mentioned nor available. Will I buy this nail polish remover again? Even though I have given this a 2.5 rating, currently this is my second bottle. I have not found anything better in the market, and until I do, I will be using this. Don't forget to check out my other nail related videos that I'm posting. It is a must watch for beginners. Also, if you're interested in lifestyle, do check out my other videos. Now, don't forget to thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe. Bye!